Thespian visit the tomb of Achilles. Like the great mythic battle for Troy, Alexander is preparing for his own epic battle. His opponent? One of the richest and most powerful men on earth.
And she knows to go around her.
The Persian monarch has no idea of the force he is up against. Alexander has been left a golden legacy by his father, one of the ancient world's best trained and most disciplined armies. Even more than Philip, the young king is a charismatic and inspiring leader.
I think the secret to Alexander's military genius is that he's extremely decisive, he's bold, and he seems fearless to the point of being reckless at times. That he never seems to hesitate to go dashing off into the action.
The invaders march south to Issus in modern-day Turkey. Alexander's troops are outnumbered by Darius' army. But this is exactly the kind of challenge Alexander relishes.
Alexander's ability to adapt is really the mark of great generals. The greatest generals in military history are able to do that. He was able to see the situation in a sweep of the eye and then come up with a plan that would overcome the obstacles that would stymie any other commander.
Alexander quickly sizes up his enemy. The infantry are protected by archers, a sure sign Darius has no faith in his foot